In front of me is VIVO X80 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy. Then click on Permission Manager and select one of your device's features, like for example microphone. Now tap on one of your apps, like Facebook, and apply one of those options by clicking on the chosen one. Microphone access for this app allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so when I tap and go back, I can see that Facebook just gained access to this device's microphone if I'm using this app. But you can always go back, select any option and look for an app that you are interested in. For example, I will tap on Location just to access my Chrome. Now instead of picking any of those options, select See All Permissions at the bottom and manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!